Hello to everybody on YouTube. This is just a short motovlog, and I want to thank a few people, especially all my new subscribers. I'm up to 105, so very happy with that. Over the last couple of weeks, while I have been putting up too many vlogs, I was testing different bits and pieces and a lot of trial and error, and there's a couple of different issues I was having. One was with the audio, and I suppose that was probably the biggest one. For anybody that knows my channel, I'm using the Get One camera. Get a blind. The quality is quite good, but the only thing that let me down in the end was the audio, where you plug in the microphone into the actual camera. I think it could be the connection itself that's actually giving trouble, because I'm having slight trouble with charging the battery while it's in the camera, so I'm beginning to think now that that might have been some of the fault that was happening. But anyway, 105 subscribers, maybe it might even be a little bit more, 107. So I'm really happy with the way things are going. The way I want my channel to go is I wanted to progress, and I want to make improvements so that my videos are better and my audio is better, and just want to make things a bit more exciting. Like at the minute now, the weather is okay. We had two absolute brilliant days over here in Ireland, but that's nearly about it. You get two fantastic days, everybody is happy as Larry, and next thing we get back to the dull weather and everybody gets depressed again. So it would be nice if we had a bit more warm weather. But I don't let it really affect me. I still use the bike for work. I try to get out as often as I can. We had road racing on there recently in Waterstone, Athlone. It was a good event, wet enough day, but it went well, no crashes, and yep, it was good.